Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. This morning I'm making a dish that I love making when I have plantains in the house. I'm making Fufu de platano. This is a dish that is traditionally eaten in Cuba, but it originated in Africa. And it branched off to the Caribbean island because of the slave trade. So you may see this dish in Jamaica, Antigua, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, and it goes by many names. So let me get started with the ingredients. I have here plantain, lime, onion, garlic, olive oil, and some spices. I cut my plantains in 1-inch chunks so that it can make the boiling process a lot faster. So I'm just rinsing them off right now, and then I'm going to move on to the next step. Typically, chicharrones or pork cracklings are added to this dish, but I'm leaving it out today. Now I'm just boiling the plantains for about 30 minutes until they're soft. But you can use a pressure cooker because it's a lot quicker. It only cooks about 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm frying up 2 pieces of bacon that I cut into pieces. Now I'm frying up some onions just to give some added texture to the fufu de platano. This will be used for garnish later on. So now I'm mashing my plantains. Now, one thing I find out is that if I use a fork, I can't get all the lumps out. So I like my fufu de platano more like a mashed potato consistency. So I'm going to put it in a mini processor. And yes, I know this is not the way you traditionally do it. Pero cada maestro tiene su librito, okay? Okay, so to this I'm adding some, a trick that I learned. I'm adding some cold water to this. And that way it makes it a little softer and less lumpy. Yeah. Now, a lot of people may not like it like this, but this is the way I like mine. Now, this is the way I like it. Now on to the MOJO. So I'm going to make a garlic sauce that I'm going to add into the mashed plantains. In addition to adding the MOJO to the plantains, I'm also going to add the fried bacon bits to it for more texture. Now I'm going to add a sprinkle of all the seasonings. I'm adding oregano, cumin, garlic, salt, and pepper. I also fried up some onions so that I can add it on top of the fufu. Well guys, this is my delicious fufu de platano. And yes, I jazzed up the plate a little bit because I love to eat with my eyes and I love to make things pretty. So something as simple as mashed plantains and an egg, I try to make it look pretty. Well guys, thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Have a good day. God bless. Bye-bye.